Happy summer from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. After a long cold winter, you finally earned this nice weather, and what better way to spend it than behind the wheel of a new Kia. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the 2023 Telluride is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you. We'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hi, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. The updated 2024 Seltos is here and ready to be yours. All updates have only enhanced the quality this vehicle is known for. This month, lease the 2024 Seltos S for $249 per month for 24 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2024 Seltos include a bold new exterior including bumpers, grills, and lights, Kia's signature dual panoramic instrument and infotainment displays across every trim, and Kia's brand-wide industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop in or give us a call to learn more about the 2024 Kia Seltos.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.